Departing the Duluth Ship Canal is the Mesabi Miner. The Mesabi Miner was built in 1977 by the American Shipbuilding Company in Lorain, Ohio. She measures 1,004 feet in length, 105 feet in width, and 56 feet in depth. She is powered by two 8,000 horsepower, 16-cylinder, peel-stick diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 15 knots or about 17 miles per hour. She is also equipped with a 1,500 horsepower bow thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. Mesabi Miner has 36 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 65 by 11 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 63,300 tons. Above her deck is a 265-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 10,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Mesabi Miner is currently owned and operated by the Interlake Steamship Company of Middleburg Heights, Ohio. The Mesabi Miner was built for $45 million in 3 sections. The bow and stern sections were built in American Shipbuilding's Lorain Yard. The midsection, built in their Toledo Yard, was later towed to Lorain to be co-joined with the other 2 sections. She made her maiden voyage to the Twin Ports in June of 1977 and was formally christened here in Duluth in honor of the people of the Mesabi Iron Range. She was the first 1,000-footer to load iron ore pellets at Burlington Northern's ore dock, number 5 here in Superior in 1977. The historic Interlake Steamship Company was founded in 1913 by the massive mining and steel-producing Pickens, Mather and Company, which began operating ships in 1883. The fleet was sold into private hands in 1987, and currently operates 9 ships and 1 integrated tug barge on the Great Lakes. This is the Mesabi Miner's 9th trip to the Twin Ports this season. She'll be taking a load of iron ore pellets to Indiana Harbor. What you just heard is known as the Captain's Salute. It was the Mesabi calling up to the aerial lift bridge, and the aerial lift bridge was given a salute back. Once again, this is the Mesabi Miner. She was built in 1977. She is 1,004 feet in length. She is taking a load of iron ore pellets today to Indiana Harbor. If you see any crew on board, give them a big wave and wish them a safe voyage. Good morning, visitors. Just a friendly reminder to avoid feeding the seagulls in our park. Feeding the gulls causes increased aggression as well as negative health effects for the birds. Feeding the gulls also increases the likelihood of a gull pooping on you or someone else trying to enjoy their day. Once again, please refrain from feeding the gulls. Thank you for your cooperation in helping us keep wildlife wild.